Hello students, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. Now let's move forward. Exercise 7.1, question number 2. So first of all, read this question. Here in question number 2, find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. Okay, find the smallest number by which each of the following number must be multiplied to become a perfect cube number. That means these are the non-perfect cube numbers are given to you. Okay, these are the non-perfect cube number. We need to find a number. If we multiply with this number, so this number becomes perfect cube number. Right? This type of question we have already seen in chapter number 6, exercise 6.3 for perfect square number. Same thing we need to do for the perfect cube number. Okay, here we need to use the prime factorization method and we need to make the pair. If any number doesn't make the pair, then we need to multiply with a number and we need to make the pair. Okay, so here we need to use the prime factorization method. So our first question is 2, 4, 3. Use the prime factorization method here. Okay, so 2, 4, 3. Now, this is not even number, so we cannot divide with 2. Now, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So, this number is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. Now, for 81, we know that 27 3s are. And 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now cube root of 2 4 3. 2 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times 3. Okay. 5 times 3. Now make the pair of 3. So 1 pair. Now here we have 2 times 3. 1 time more we want. Right? Here 1 pair is complete. Now here 1 more time we want 3. So pair of 3 is complete. Okay, यहाँ पे एक बार 3 कम पड़ रहा है, तो एक बार 3 हमें क्या करना होगा? मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. तो हमारा जो आंसर है वो यही है कि 3 मल्टीप्लाई करना है. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है कि स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बाय विच ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर मस्ट बी मल्टीप्लाई. सो जो नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है वो कौन सा करना है? नंबर 3. यदि हम एक 3 इसमें ऐड करेंगे तो उनकी भी पेयर कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. ओके, सो इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई 3 with 2 4 3, so it becomes perfect cube number. Okay, if you multiply 3 with 2 4 3, so it becomes perfect cube number. So here 2 4 3 multiply 3 and here even add 1 3, so 3 3 3. Now one more time, so it becomes 6 times. So here pair of 3 is complete. Okay, so here 2 4 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, and here from one pair we need to write 1 3 and from this pair we need to write 1 3. From both the pair 1 1 3, so 3 3s are 9. Okay, it means if we multiply 2 4 3 by 3, so it becomes 7 to 9, and 7 to 9 is perfect cube number and cube root of 7 to 9 is 9. Okay, similar process we need to apply in all these questions. So now second question 2 5 6. This is even number, so we can make here 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remaining, 5 minus 4 1, so it becomes 16. 2 8s are 16. Now if direct division you don't know, then use the rough page. Okay, in rough page 256 divided by 2. Whatever answer you will get, that you need to write here. Again this is even number, so again we need to divide with 2. So either you can use the rough one, otherwise directly. Here we have 12, so 2 6 are 12, and here we have 8, so 2 4 are 8. Now again we can take 2, 2 3s are 6, and here 2 2s are 4. Again 2, now 2 1s are 2. So 2 ones are 2, so 3 minus 2, 1 remainder, and join with this number, so 1 and 2, 12. So 2, 6 are 12. Now we know that 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. Okay, so cube root of 256. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times 2. Now make the pair of 3 numbers. So here one pair, or here we have only 2 times 2. One more time we want. Okay, 2 times we have 2, but we want one more time. So what we need to do? We need to multiply this number with 2. So it becomes perfect cube number. Okay, एक बार 2 कंप्लीट है तो एक बार 2 हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So यहाँ पे if we multiply 256 with 2, then it becomes perfect cube number. Okay, so now 256 multiply 2. So here even we need to add 1 2, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. 8 times 2 we have, one more time we add here, so total 9 times. So here one pair, here one pair, and here one pair. So from first pair 2, from second pair 2, and from third pair 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8, and here 2 5 6 divided multiply 2, it is 5 1 2. Okay, so if we multiply 256 by 2, then it becomes 512, and 512 is perfect cube number, and cube root of 512 is 8. Okay, now in similar way, question number 3. Here we have 72. Now for 72, we know that 36 into 2. For 36, 18 twos are. For 18, 9 twos are. Now 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, so for cube root of 72, 1 2 3, 3 times 2 and 2 times 3. Now here we have one pair, here 2 times we have 3, one more time we want, so we need to multiply 72 by 3. Okay, so if we multiply 3 with 72, then it becomes perfect cube number. Okay, so on both the side we need to multiply 3. So here 72 multiply 3. So here 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 times 3, and one more time we add here, so one pair of 2 and one pair of 3. Okay, so here 3 2s are 6, 7 3s are 21. Now from first pair 2 and from second pair 3, and 3 2s are 6. Okay, so here if we multiply 72 with 3, then it becomes perfect cube number. Okay, 72 into 3 216, so cube root of 216, it is 6. After that, question number 4, 6 7 5. So here we need to use prime factorization for 6 7 5. So here we have 5 unit digit, we have 5, so we can divide with 5, right? 5 ones are 5, 1 remainder, it becomes 70. 5 3s are 15, 2 remainder, 25, 5 5s are 25. Again we have unit digit 5, so we can take 5 here, 5 2s are 10, remainder 3 35, 5 7s are 35. Now for 27 we know that 3 9s are, then 3 3s are 9, and finally 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now we need to find the cube root of 675. So cube root of 675. 3 times 3 and 2 times 5. So here we have one pair of 3, but for 5 we have 5 only 2 times. One more time we want, so we need to multiply 5 with this number. Okay, one more time we want 5, so we need to multiply 5 in both the sides. So here 675 multiply 5. Sorry, first of all we need to write here, if we multiply if we multiply 5 with 675, then it becomes perfect cube number. Okay, if you multiply 5 with 675, it becomes perfect cube number. So both the side we need to multiply with 5. So 675 multiply 5, and here even 3 3 3, then 5 5, 2 times 5, and one more time we add here. So 675 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 7 5s are 35 plus 2 37, and 6 5s are 30 plus 3 33, 3375. And here from first pair 3 and from second pair 5, so 5 3s are 50. Okay, so cube root of 3375 is 3 multiply 5, 50. Okay. Now next, number 5. Here we have answer question 100, right? Now for 100, use the prime factorization method. So for 100 we know that 50 2s are 25 2s are 50, 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. Okay, 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5. So here cube root of 100, 2 multiply 2, 5 multiply 5. Okay, so now here we don't have the pair of 2 and we don't have the pair of 5. We have 2 only 2 times, we have 5 only 2 times. So one more time we want 2 and one more time we want 5. So both the number we need to multiply here. Okay, one more time we want 2 and one more time we want 5. So both the number we need to multiply here. Okay, so if we multiply 100 by 5 multiply 2, that means 10. Why 10? One time we want 5 and one time we want 2. So 5 2s are 10. We need to multiply 10 with both the sides. Okay, so it becomes perfect cube number. 2 की भी पेयर नहीं है, 5 की भी नहीं है. यहाँ पे 2 की पेयर बनाने के लिए एक 2 चाहिए, एक 5 चाहिए. तो अल्टरनेटली 5 2 दोनों मिलके हमें 10 चाहिए. So if we multiply 100 by 10, then it becomes perfect cube number. Okay, so here 100 multiply 10, and here, okay, now we need to multiply 10. So one time 2 and one time 5. Okay, if we multiply 10, so 2 times 2, 2 times 5, and 2 5s are 10. So here we have the pair of 2 and we have the pair of 5. So here 10 into 100, it becomes 1000. Now from 3 times 2, 1 time 2, from 3 times 5, 1 time 5, so 5 2s are 10. Okay, so cube root of 100 is 10. So here We don't have the pair of 2 and 5, so we need to multiply with 10. Okay, if we multiply 10 with 100, then it becomes perfect and cube number. So 100 into 10, 1000, and cube root of 1000 is 10. Okay, so students, if you have any doubt in these questions, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Thank you.